So hello everyone, my name is Meenal and I welcome you all to Vinyasa Ashtanga Yoga. Let's mentally prepare for our session today. Close your eyes. We are starting our session. Just inhale, exhale. Mentally prepare for today's session. We are going to focus on abdomen region today. अभी लॉकडाउन इफेक्ट चल रहा है तो सबके टमी बढ़ रहे हैं. सो दिस प्राणायाम सेशन इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू एंड हेल्प मी एज वेल. दिस इज़ अ प्रैक्टिस सेशन. सो ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूँगी. आई ऑलरेडी टॉट यू द डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस एंड डिटेल्ड प्राणायाम्स in my 5-day yoga workshop. So we are going to practice. Alright. Before practicing I am going to demonstrate and then we can practice along. Okay. So inhale, exhale. Give me 10 breaths, 10 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now gently open your eyes, give me a big smile, and we are going to start with few gentle exercises, starting with neck rotation. First 5 clockwise neck rotation, then 5 anti-clockwise neck rotation. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to do shoulder rotation, but today's shoulder rotation will be like this, so that your chest cavity gets expand. Okay, so let's start. First clockwise, then anti-clockwise. First watch. 1, 2. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we are going to do gentle twist. Put your right palm on left knee and look back. Gently twist your spine. Hold your twist for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now look forward. Let's do it on another side. Hold your twist for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now look forward. Now we are going to do ankle rotation. So stretch your legs and do the ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now try to touch your toes with your fingers like this and stretch your back. Stretch your hamstring, stretch your inner thigh. Hold. If it is possible, you can also try to touch your forehead to your knees. Lift up. Now we are going to do butterfly. So for butterfly, Get into this position and we are going to do 5 flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now sit back into a Sukhasana. So I forgot to tell you our 2 important rules. First rule is you have to smile whenever I tell you to smile. And second rule is this is inhale. Remember these gestures. This is inhale. This is exhale. And this is hold your breath inside. Okay. So today we are going to practice 5 pranayams. First one we will be starting with deep breathing. Remember, this is not deep yogic breathing. We are not going to hold. We are just going to inhale and exhale. Okay. So give me 20 breaths like this. Alright, let's start. Inhale. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now close your eyes and relax for 30 seconds. Keep breathing normally. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Just relax. Keep breathing normally. Now gently open your eyes and you are going to give me 10 breaths like this again. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now close your eyes, take a break for 30 seconds and prepare your mind for Kapalbhati Kriya. We are going to do a Kapalbhati Kriya. Remember, today's session is all focused on tummy. Keep smiling. Bring your palms together, rub them gently. Place it on your eyes. Gently open your eyes. Give me a big smile and we will start with our Kapalbhati Kriya. So in Kapalbhati Kriya, you are actively exhaling and passively inhaling. Okay. So your inhalation should be very slow and you are going to exhale explosively through your stomach using your stomach muscles. First watch. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So you are using your stomach muscles. Do this pranayam at your own pace. If you have BP issue, do it very slowly. Okay, so you're going to give me 30 exhalations like this. Let's start. And relax. Close your eyes for 30 seconds. I'm really sorry, but this is what happens in Kapalbhati Pranayam. This is natural, we are all human. Just breathing. Just breathe. Try to bring your breath to normal. Gently open your eyes. Give me a smile. And we will start Kapalbhati Kriya one more time. So you are actively exhaling and passively inhaling. Okay, give me 30 breaths like this. Start. And relax. Close your eyes and take a break for 30 seconds. Gently keep smiling. Believe that you are going to reduce that extra fat inches from your stomach and do this mindful breathing. Keep your eyes closed. Gently open your eyes and we are going to do this Kapalbhati Kriya one more time. So this is practice. So I am practicing as a beginner and as a medium level student. So we are going to do one more cycle of Kapalbhati and you are going to give me 40 exhalations like this. If possible you can do it, otherwise you can do it at your own pace. Do only 20 or you can skip it altogether. Alright, so let's start. Inhale, exhale and start. And relax. You must be feeling little bit strain at your stomach. That is because you are doing it right. Just relax. Take a break. Bring your palms together, rub them gently. Place it on your eyes. Gently open your eyes, and we are going to do our clapping session. So you are going to give me 30 claps. As I am wearing microphone, I will not clap with you, but you have to clap and smile. Okay? So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. So now we are going to do a 2 more breathing exercise. So this is also called a inner fire breathing technique. So in this you are going to imagine a fire burning at your stomach. Alright. So big flame of fire is burning at your stomach. आपके पेट के यहाँ पे एक अग्नि बर्न हो रही है, ऐसे आपको इमेजिन करना है. You are going to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. These are power breaths. So deeply inhale inside your chest, inside your stomach, and exhale through your mouth. With every inhale, you are going to imagine that this fire is getting intensified. Alright. After 20 power breaths, we are going to we are going to hold our breath outside, exhaled air. So there will be no air in your lungs, and we are going to hold that for 30 seconds. Then we are going to inhale deeply, and after inhalation we are going to hold our breath for 15 seconds. Alright. So just follow along with me if this is too difficult. So first, starting with 20 deep breaths. Okay, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Okay, so let's start the practice. 20 power breaths. Inhale, exhale all the air out from your stomach, from your chest. There is no air in your chest, and hold your breath for 30 seconds. Inhale, hold the air inside your chest for 15 seconds. And exhale out. Again, inhale, exhale. Now we are going to do second round of it. First, give me a big smile. And we will start with our second round. You have to inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. 20 breaths like this. Inhale, exhale all the air out and hold your breath for 1 minute. You can release the hold however you want, whenever you want, but try to hold your breath for 1 minute. Inhale, exhale, take a break. You must be feeling a tingling sensation in your body, in your head. Relax. We are going to take a break for 1 minute. Keep your eyes closed. Just relax. If you have high BP issue or epilepsy history or vertigo, अगर आपको चक्कर आने का प्रॉब्लम है तो आप ये टूमो ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक मत कीजिए. Just relax, keep smiling. Gently open your eyes and we are going to do this practice one more time. If you want to skip it, you can skip it, but if you can, do this practice, okay? So let's start. 20 power breaths. Inhale, exhale all the air out and hold your breath for 1 more minute. Try to hold your breath. Exhale all the air out. If you want to release your breath, you can release. Inhale. Hold your breath inside for 15 seconds. And exhale. And we are done with our 2 more breathing practice. We are going to take a break for 1 minute. Just try to relax. Bring your heart rate to normal. You must be feeling your heart is really beating high. Keep your eyes closed. Put a gentle smile on your face. And relax. You can also stretch your legs. Bring your palms together, rub them gently. Place it on your eyes. Gently open your eyes, give me a big smile, and we are going to start with our Bahya Pranayam. So I told you today's all pranayams are going to be focused on your stomach. So in Bahya Pranayam, you are going to inhale slowly, and with double pressure you are going to exhale all the air out like this. Then you are going to suck in your stomach. You are going to pull your stomach back. You are going to squeeze the pelvic muscles, squeeze the stomach muscle, and you are going to put your chin down to close the thorax airway. You are going to hold the lock for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we are going to exhale through our left nostril. Alright, so first watch, then you can start this practice with me. Inhale. Release the lock, exhale the air through your left nostril. Okay, so let's start this pranayam. We are going to do 10 breaths like this. Inhale. Again, inhale. Third, inhale. 4. Inhale. 5. Inhale. 'Now take a break for 30 seconds. We are done with 5 and we are going to do 5 more. Take a break for 30 seconds. Just relax. Gently open your eyes. Sit into a Sukhasana. We are going to repeat this Bahya Pranayam 5 rounds. Okay. So inhale. Explosively exhale all the air out. Suck your stomach in. Do all 3 locks and hold. Okay, second. Three, 4, 5, Now relax. We are done with our Bahya Pranayam. You can also stretch your legs. Just relax. Remember, these are very powerful pranayam. I am sweating right now. If you have done this correctly, you will feel the difference. Just relax. Keep your eyes closed. Sit back normally. Bring your palms together. Rub them gently. Place it on your eyes. Gently open your eyes. Give me a big smile. And we are going to cool down now with Sadanta Pranayam. So in Sadanta Pranayam, you are going to put your teeth like this. Inhale the air through the slits of your teeth like this. You are going to make this sound. Gulp the air inside your stomach and hold your breath for 5 seconds. And we are going to exhale through left nostril. So we are going to do 5 rounds of this. Start. Inhale. Two. 3. 4. 5. 'Relax for 15 seconds and we are going to repeat this 5 more rounds. Sadanta Pranayam. Gently open your eyes, smile, and let's start the Sadanta Pranayam. Inhale. Two. 3. 4. 5. 'Keep your eyes closed. Take a break for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we are going to do 3 Omkars. Just relax. We are done with our today's pranayam practice. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do the Omkar. Inhale. As you exhale, you are going to make this sound A, U, Ma. A and U must be short and Ma should be stretched with exhalation. Let's start. Inhale. 2 inhale, inhale, keep your eyes closed. Put a gentle smile on your face. Think about all the positivity . Feel your aura with happy energy, positive vibes, love. Think about the person you love the most and put a gentle smile on your face. Imagine you are the happiest person right now. Stay calm. Concentrate on your breath. Bring your palms together, rub them gently, place it on your eyes, gently open your eyes, give me a big smile, and we are done with our practice today. So if you like this video, subscribe and give me a like and share with as many people as possible. I am hosting a Google Meet every day from 8 AM to 8:45 AM. It is free, you can join it. So you just have to join my Telegram group first. Alright, so bye everyone, see you soon.